Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. Today we want to talk about our acrylic shields, sneeze guards, and how we use them with our clamping system. Okay, so why do we want to talk about our clamps? You'd think this is pretty simple. You just take it, you clamp it to your desk, and you slide your acrylic shield in and you're done. What we really want to talk about is the applications you're going to use this clamp on. So one thing I want to talk to you about is the width. So you can see where this would go on the edge of the work surface on the inside here, and where this bolt clamps onto it, it's very narrow. So with that narrow clamp, you won't have problems with brackets that are installed underneath your workstation. So say for instance, it's the attachment bracket for, say against the leg. So if you look at this here, that's your standard bracket on some of our competitors' products for their height adjustable legs. And you're going to see you don't have a lot of space when that's installed. And the same thing happens with our desk. You don't have a very large surface area to clamp to. So when you get a clamp from another manufacturer, this pin will be in further and you're going to have like a round disc that's going to tighten against the base of the work surface. And that requires a lot of space. So this is something you need to be aware of when you are ordering a clamp system to put acrylic shields on your desk. So here, I'll install this on here and give you an idea what this looks like. So when you see this, you can see it doesn't take a lot of space. And the same thing goes when you are working with the back of the work surface. If there's wire management or anything else that's clamped on or bolted on underneath the desking system, you just really need to be aware of how much space do I really have to clamp this acrylic shield to my desk. And that's all I wanted to talk about today. So thanks for watching.